Hi Ashima.
Hi.
First of all, congratulations for the lovely response you're getting for the play.
Thank you so much.
And how does it feel now?
It feels beautiful.
Mhm.
That's all I can say. We still have many shows to go, and the responsibility is even greater now. So, uh, working on that. Yes.
So playing negative role.
Yeah.
So how was the experience?
So basically, it is not a negative role. I would say that Bahar was more of an arrogant and egoistic woman who loved Salim, and she could not take it that someone more beautiful than her is able to attract Salim. So that she was very jealous of Anarkali. So I would describe her character more of as an arrogant, egoistic woman than a negative lead because, yeah.
So when you basically got the call for the first time that Mughal Azam is being made in a play, what was your first reaction? And when you got this, how did it feel?
Yeah. See, I was very, obviously, I was very excited because it was related to Mughal Azam,
Right.
an epic. So I was very excited about the fact, but the process has been very exciting. Initially, when we got into this, we never knew that how it is going to shape up. We did our parts. सिंगिंग का रियाज, एक्टिंग का रियाज, डांसिंग का रियाज, हर चीज़ जो हम अपने लेवल पे कर सकते थे सर की गाइडेंस में, फिरोज सर की गाइडेंस में, वी हैव डन एवरीथिंग. But eventually, how will it shape up? Like, we could see that it will be beautiful, but the process and the journey has been very, very exciting. And now, yes, it feels beautiful that everything is getting paid off. Everyone is really liking it. It's a beautiful feeling.
How apprehensive were you to take the project? Because this is a cult movie, so definitely there would be comparisons with the
Yeah.
last one. Yeah. So how?
So the thing is, comparisons we were told not to even think about. None of us has tried to imitate the character. We have played the characters with our own honesty and ट्रूथ. लाइक हम जितने सच्चाई से उसको निभा सकते थे, सर ने स्टार्टिंग से ही वो बोला. ना टोन को कॉपी करने की कोशिश की, ना एक्टिंग को, ना एक्सप्रेशंस को. हम उस कैरेक्टर को कैसे इंटरप्रेट करते हैं, सो वी डिड आर ओन इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ द कैरेक्टर. सो एप्रीहेंसिव बिल्कुल नहीं थी मैं बिल्कुल एप्रीहेंसिव नहीं थी.
उर्दू के काफ़ी डिफिकल्ट और बड़े बड़े वर्ड्स हैं, जैसे कि प्रोजेक्ट है, तो उस हिसाब से
Yeah.
हाउ इजी वाज इट फॉर यू टू गो फॉर इट?
उर्दू मैंने, आई एम फ्रॉम जम्मू कश्मीर, सो मैंने उर्दू सीखी है. इट वॉज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ माई करिकुलम, बट इतने नुक्तों पे इतना ख्याल रखना ये पहले कभी इतना नहीं किया था. अभी बहुत ज़्यादा. वी हैड अ गाइड फॉर डिक्शन, कमाल सर, तो उन्होंने हम सबके नुक्ते ठीक किए, तो उन सब चीज़ों का ख्याल रखा गया है.
कितने आवर्स की रोज़ की प्रैक्टिस लगती थी इधर तक पहुंचने के लिए?
Yeah, it used to be almost 12 hours. Yeah, sometimes it used to be more when we used to have a amalgamation of the dancers and the actors and the technical team and all. So it used to be like full day, full day. Yeah, full day
You have also
rehearsals.
sung in the play, so
Yes.
which is your favorite song?
So I love the Qawwali. I love both the songs. I'm singing a Qawwali track, and I'm singing the last song of the finale song of the show, which is Jab Raat Hai Si Mat Wali. I love both the songs. Like, see, every song is an epic song, so I will not say any one of them is my favorite. I love each and every song, but yes, Qawwali has been getting quite a good response because there is a contrast between the voices, and it's like a competition. So
इरफान खान एंड बहुत बड़े बड़े सेलिब्रिटीज ने
Yeah.
प्रीमियर पे काफ़ी तारीफ की प्ले की. So how does it feel now?
it feels beautiful, obviously. See, I have grown up listening and watching the movies of these people: Irfan Khan, Rishi Kapoor, Ranbir Kapoor, and Javed Akhtar ji,
Right.
Shabana Azmi ji. So I am a huge fan of Shabana Azmi ji, and I am a huge fan of Irfan Khan ji. So जब भी अगर वो कुछ भी छोटा सा भी तारीफ करेंगे तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. And Irfan Khan ji said that he wants to witness the songs again. So obviously it's a huge compliment for us, and we were elated and enthralled by the response of all the celebrities. Yes.
After this, you are performing in Delhi, so any expectations and hopes from Delhi people, because definitely Delhi is a home ground for theatres when it comes to.
Yes. Yes. See, we are going to do our 200%. We are doing it here, we are doing it, we'll be doing it there, and we'll be doing it everywhere. And I know Mughal Azam is a very sensitive topic and a lot of emotions of people have been attached to it. So हमने जो यहाँ पे की हम भी वहाँ पे भी वही करेंगे. Let's see how the response is there. And I have my sister and my relatives also there in Delhi right now. So they all will be coming for the show in Delhi. So very excited to perform in Delhi as well. Hoping for the best. Hoping for the best. Yes.
All right. Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you for talking to Movie Talk and all the very best.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thanks
you.
a lot.